Alright, so here is over $350 deposited into my PayPal account. Now, how I was able to get this money is what I want to expose you to. Now, this is it. Just by writing blog post article, I have been paid countless times, and fun thing is that I don't even do the writing, AI does the writing. Now look at this. If I tell you that I wrote this myself, I'll be lying. AI wrote and designed all of this for me. You can see all the blog posts right here. You can see everything right here is done by AI. So all I did was to use this AI tool the right way to get a good looking blog post, and I submitted the article to the buyer, and then boom, that is money for me. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the same AI writing tool that I make use of to write blog articles that people are paying me for. Alright, so this can also be a way for you to start making a living online. Now take a look at this. Not just one, not just two. I mean, look at people who are making real money online for themselves just by writing blog post articles. Many of those people you see right here are making use of AI. Tell me, who has that time to sit down and write for 3 hours? All right, I don't have that time. You don't have that time. AI has that time, and AI can do it for you. So now let's get into it. You want to come over to SEOwriting.ai to create a free account. So this is the perfect AI tool that has helped me and many others write better blog posts, and I'll show you how to use this tool the right way to generate professional blog posts. And once your account has been created, you'll be credited with over 5,000 words for free, and you can use this to make a few dollars online for yourself. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and click on the one-click blog post, and I'll add some keywords for my blog post right here. So majorly the keywords to help this AI to write me an SEO optimized blog post is what I want to impute right here. So I'll go ahead and impute that. Now for the blog title, my client basically sent this to me, okay, and I'll quickly go ahead into my Gmail inbox and copy this, okay. So you can see that we have our blog title right here, and most times I want you to know that, okay, some of them would basically not give you a title to write on, okay, and that is when you can make use of this AI feature right here. So SEOwriting.ai has an AI feature that would help you generate the best title for the blog that you are writing. Now for the language, you actually want to choose something that suits you. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose English, okay. Then for the article size, I'll be going with medium, okay, because medium basically works out perfectly fine. And the reason is this, okay, you don't want to have a lengthy blog post, and also you don't want to have a short blog post. You want to keep everything moderate. So that is why I recommend medium, because medium is always good. Now for your tone of voice, this is one of the many reasons why I love using SEOwriting.ai to write every of my blog posts. I mean, you can basically pick from variety of tone for your blog posts. I mean, you can choose how you want your blog post to sound to whosoever that is reading it. For instance, now you can basically choose a professional tone, a friendly tone. It doesn't really matter what tone you want to use. You can find it here on SEOwriting.ai. So I'll choose professional. As you see that the title from my client sounds more of a professional claim. So picking a professional tone is going to go fine, right? So I'm going to go ahead to the model section, and right here I will choose GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, okay, for an optimal result. I don't want to burn my words, okay, I don't want to burn my words, so I'll just stick with GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. And also I want you to do the same, okay. So for my targeted country, that will be United States, okay, not my targeted country, my client's targeted country. And you can see it actually, that's what it says here. It says I'm targeting the US. So United States is what I'm going to be working with on this AI writing. So now going down to the media hub right here, and this is a section where we can choose the images, the videos, everything you want to include into your blog post. I mean, something that looks like this. You can see how super cool this blog post is. Now, so to do this, you're going to come over to the AI images, and you want to select yes, okay. And for this blog post, I think 5 images will be good enough. And you can see that the image style, okay, will be photo. I want to use photo because photo usually works so well. So photo for me. And now I want you to look at this. You can see where it says your image size, okay. So please make sure your image size is the default size. I mean, your image size should be on 16:9. I mean 16:9. That is actually a very good image size, okay. So this would help you keep the images more fixed, bold, and good looking on your blog post. And that's it for images. Now for videos, we can also add up videos to our blog post. You can see that super great for you, adding videos to your blog post, okay, without you even doing the work. You don't have to do the work, you don't have to input the videos yourself. AI is going to do everything for you, right? So for the videos, I'm also going to be adding 3 videos right here. So I would ask this AI to help me get 3 videos right, and that will be good, okay. And I'm going to select on distribute evenly. All right, this would help the AI to help me place my video in better place on my blog post. And now for this SEO box, you can decide to do this manually or allow this AI to help you with the SEO box right here. So you're going to go over to the blog structure, and this simply means how you want your blog post to be structured. Okay, so you can see that we have many structures that you can pick from, so just choose one based on your preference. Okay, so for me, I'm going to choose statistical and fact. Okay, I tell you that the more you get to use the software, the more you get to see features that you yourself can use for your blog post, right? So one thing I want you to note is that if you've been using other writing tool, okay, maybe as a freelancer or maybe for your business, okay, there is something many of them don't have, many writing AI tool don't have, and that is the ability for you to connect to the web to get more update informations across multiple networks. I mean, making sure that you have the right information on your blog post. And that is what this AI tool can do for us. It can help us connect to the web to gather up-to-date information to help us have a good informative blog post. And that's super amazing, okay? And a big clap for SEO Writing.ai for this fantastic feature. Now, to use this feature on your blog post, okay, I'll go ahead and choose yes, and the search source is going to be, for me, it's going to be the real-time news search. And you know why I'm choosing this, okay? The reason is because my blog structure says statistic and fact. So I want to make sure that all of this syncs together, and this would basically get my clients to be happy with my work. And also, there's another feature that you can also enjoy using this AI tool to write your blog post. I mean, the ability for you to connect with WordPress directly. Okay, directly you can connect to your WordPress website. So for you to be able to use this, I'm going to click on publication, and yes, you will see that you would have to access your WordPress account, and you would have your blog post from this tool posted on your WordPress blog. So for those of you who have a WordPress or website, this is going to be an amazing feature for you to try out and also make use of. All right, so I'm going to go back to the top, okay, and I'm going to click on run, and SEO Writing.ai will generate me my blog post in minutes, saving me hours of work. All right, now so you can see what this looks like, right? You can see that we have a good looking blog post, okay, and you can see everything just fits well. So guys, you can see how the result looks like. You can see we've got a good looking blog post right here, and you see that everything just fits well, the images, the videos, and also this can really be a good way for you to create your blog post in minutes without stress and saving you time. So if you come back, all right, to this page, you can see where we have the bulk article generator. So this AI tool also has another feature that can help you bulk create articles. I mean, not just one, not just two, not just 10, as many as you want to software. So this is something you'd also want to try out for yourself and also get to enjoy so many features like this. I've seen so many people make use of this tool. Me myself, I make use of it, right? So constantly I'm going to be talking more about this tool, all right? So give you guys more update, give you guys more features that you can enjoy also, and keep you guys updated. So quickly, let's take a look at those two pricing plans. Right now you can see that they just have two paying plans, okay? So apart from the free one that you might be using currently, okay, which is limited to 5,000 words only. So the one I make use of is the starter plan, and this gives me access to 100,000 words for a month and some other mind-blowing features. Now I have a surprise for you. If you make use of the coupon code COST25, you'll be given a 25% discount on any of your purchase. So you can see that I went as far as helping you guys get a coupon code. So make use of the coupon code and you're going to be enjoying 25% discount on any of your purchase. So in my next video with this tool, I'll be sharing with you some other new features that we just recently released. Okay, so you yourself can always be up to date and you can constantly use this tool to the fullest. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you want to see me talk about those tools more and more often, please make sure to smash the like button and ask me your question about this tool in the comment section below. That is if you have one. But if you want to recommend this tool to a friend, you can go ahead and tell your friends about this. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.